What if I told you there's a better way to secure your OT and IT systems by creating digital identities, verifying, controlling, and monitoring user access? It is called identity and access management. You probably have heard about it from cybersecurity experts in critical infrastructure. Whether your organization is serving a local community or a global one, your critical infrastructure asset needs access automation, centralized device and user control, cybersecurity, and OT efficiency. Imagine you have a new employee named Bob. Bob needs to work at multiple sites every week, requiring exclusive operational rights to particular devices. For example, out of 10 sites your organization manages, he only needs access to sites in Victoria, New Zealand, and Western Australia. But it's not simply just access. He needs uninterrupted connection to routes, sites, and digital assets. To do this normally, you would need to create Bob a user identity, manage organizational user data, device engagement, regulate user access, all in a cyber-secure manner on site. Thankfully, there is an easier way. Meet IXID, an IAM tool created by OpenSUI, an always-on and scalable identity and access management platform. You can create user identities centrally, off-site, for groups or individuals. No access is given by default upon user profile creation. An administrator has control over assigning access and ensuring security. Unlike traditional IAMs, IXID is not entirely dependent on the cloud. It works in a hybrid model by creating on-site replicas of the cloud data center, allowing seamless operation even during internet outages. You can now authenticate Bob with MFA and SSO, adding layers of protection and then authorization to allow rights to action only permitted areas and devices. For example, giving access to only specific devices in exclusive office zones on sites in different regions, as chosen by the administrator. You can also audit logs of identities and devices. IXID allows easy changes in provision or restrictions in access, such as more privileged rights to Bob than his subordinate. Or for example, if Bob had been reassigned to different sites or changes in his responsibilities. IXID requires minimal setup, eliminating dependency on experts with its intuitive interface and plug-and-play features. It is compatible with both old and new equipment, offering flexibility of configuring with a wider range of devices and IT and OT systems. IXID also comes with the ability to easily transfer ownership, allowing quick handovers among multiple identity providers, for instance, builder to owner. IXID is also compliant with the legislative policy and regulation standards. With IXID, your organization gets governance and administration, legislative compliance, cyber risk management, increased asset efficiency, and configuration cost savings. Now, Bob can enjoy a simplified workflow with access to assets faster, with uninterrupted authentication, authorization, and increased user security. IXID enables cybersecurity within every fabric of your access automation journey.